Today we will be making tiny marshmallow gingerbread men. You'll need a bowl, some chocolate chips, marshmallows and gingerbread men. Hello crafty beans, today we are doing our food festival and I'm joined by my friend Amy.
Hi.
Start with your bowl. You probably want it a bit like this. Okay, Amy, what's next?
You're going to put some chocolate chips in first.
Bit more. That should be enough. Then, after you've got your chocolate chips in your little bowl, you've got to get some hot water in a pan, boil it, and put the this bowl on top of the pan. Okay.
Whoa.
So you have your fire there, and your pot with boiling water in it, and then the water will boil, and then that will come up to your chips, and they should start melting, and it will probably take about 2 minutes. I think the water is boiling. We added a bit more because it didn't look like enough. So now that's melting. Amy, you want to add some milk?
Sure.
You can add a little bit of milk just to kind of help it a bit.
Done.
Right, here is our nice chocolate sauce. These little sticks, like chopsticks.
Yeah.
And
You're going to have your marshmallows.
Oh,
And your marshmallows you're going to put on the pointy end.
so I'll get mine on my stick. Hello, sticky. You're a very sticky stick. And you dip the top in.
Not too far. Just as
Like your thing is. Yeah, like that. So we'll do that. So sticky.
I've got mine all the way through by accident.
Give it a little twirl. Okay, these ones are going in. Made a little space here.
They're quite tall, so you might want to make quite a big space in the freezer.
Yeah. Okay, you want to start? They're quite sticky, so you want to take them out of the freezer when they're sticky at the top so you can stick the gingerbread men on. Well, it doesn't matter if it's gingerbread men, you can put whatever you want.
Hooray, we finished them.
We didn't put the other ones in the freezer, so they'll be a bit sticky, but they're fine.
Yahoo! And we've got loads of extras, but we don't know what we're going to do.
So we found this mold of frogs. Here are
the finished frogs.
Right, let's put them in the freezer, Amy.
In a freezer.
Shut the door. Goodbye. Oh.
No. Not really.
And look at the mold. You can pull it out.
Yeah.
Ooh. That looks fine.
Yes, one done.
Oh,
What
fell
was
off.
that?
How does that look? Oh, it looks amazing. Ooh, that's a really good one.
These are really coming out well.
Mm-hmm.
This is rubbish guy.
The rubbish person.
Wow, look at what we've made today.
Wow.
We had as much fun as we did making.
Yep, this is amazing. I hope you had like a lot of fun making this, and I hope yours turned out better than ours because some of them are just a bit.
Look at that frog rope.
Yep, seriously. So
That's the best frog.
So I hope you have. I hope you find them really good, and
Bye.
bye.